So today I have got a classic.
What is it?
A classic pet, electronic pet.
Mm-hmm.
It's a Sega chick.
Is that the same people who make the video games?
Yeah.
Mm.
Hello, little chick.
Hey! I didn't know it was in an egg.
It's in an egg. I've got a hatchet. Look at Toby. Right now.
Gosh, small.
Isn't it realistic though?
Mm.
You've got all your straw around your feet. The guy I got this off is a collector himself, and obviously he's kept everything, which is really nice. Now,
I can tell you now it doesn't take seed batteries.
right, I'm going to have to put some fresh batteries in this gorgeous little thing. It's so cute.
AAA batteries?
Don't know what it's going to be yet.
Surely it's not the
Button
batteries.
Could be.
LR44, is it?
That's got to be button, hasn't it?
Oh, that is unusual.
Look at Toby Paul. It's not flapping its wings.
It's probably tired after flying across the Atlantic.
You don't flap your wings. Have you seen what Toby's doing? Oh, he's flapped his wings there. Oh, isn't it gorgeous? It's delightful. So sweet. I think it's... Oh, that's so cute. Oh, little precious little... Look at the dog.
You have to be gentle, Toby.
Yeah, to be gentle. It's only just hatched. Sniffed a little... Be gentle. It's just a little baby just hatched out its egg. I'm going to take this little chick outside and let her get some fresh air.
Yes.
That's absolutely adorable. It's like the sweetest. I feel like I've got a little chick in my hand. Oh, it feels fragile.